Hi, I'm Jimmy. Welcome back to another on-the-road video with ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Okay, what we're looking at is a Kenmore refrigerator. The customer complaint is that it is cooling, but it's very noisy. So what we're going to do is first I'm going to just open up the freezer, kind of see if I hear anything inside of here, and I kind of don't. So I'm going to move to the back and see what's going on there. Okay, tools needed to diagnose this repair would be a flat-bladed screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Okay, we're going to remove the 1/4-inch screws from the back panel to access the compressor. With that removed, I have access to the compressor. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the wires off the fan to see if the noise is coming from the fan versus the compressor. It sounds like it's coming from the compressor. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the fan motor harness, and what that's going to do is isolate the fan from the compressor. And as you can see, as you can hear, you can still hear the compressor is really loud. So the noise was not coming from the fan, it's definitely coming from the compressor. So on this one, it's going to need a compressor. Okay, we're going to put the back panel back on. And that completes the diagnosis on this refrigerator. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.